I remember the first day Halli walked again. It was probably 2 weeks after her surgery, the first time she was able to move her leg again. And we didn't know if she would ever be able to move anything on her left side.
So when I was 9 years old, I just started getting headaches, and they just got worse and worse and more increasing.
Her right eye would kind of start to swell and droop a little bit, her eyelid. And so we ended up eventually getting an MRI done, which showed that she had a pituitary tumor on her brain.
It was a little scary not knowing what was going on, and it definitely made me feel really nervous.
She had one surgery done a few months after that to try and remove the tumor, and they were able to remove most of it, but within like 6 months' time it had completely grown back.
So then we had to do another surgery, and it was a little scary this time. And as they were removing it, it was like a little brain bleed, and it squished some of the nerves that controlled my left side.
During her second surgery, there was some bleeding, hemorrhaging, kind of like a stroke, and she ended up with her entire left side was completely paralyzed when she came out of surgery. We were at Primary Children's Hospital for a while. She was doing inpatient rehab therapy there, but we knew that it was going to be coming up that she would have to spend weeks there doing radiation and stuff and just the back and forth. So when we were ready to come home from the hospital there, they wanted us to be able to travel to Twin, to doctors or things like that, but we'd already done so much traveling and things that I just decided to call around here in Burley and see what there was. And I was able to talk with Katie at Kaja here, and she felt really confident that she was going to be able to help us with Halli.
So in rehab, I work with Katie for PT and Kristen for OT. They definitely pushed me quite a bit, and I'm usually pretty exhausted afterwards, but they're super nice and understanding, and it makes it easier.
The best part of my job is seeing kids improve and be able to do more and more and more, and Halli has made so much progress in the last few months. It's been so fun to watch her go from where she was at the beginning with having to use the wheelchair and the cane to now being able to walk independently and run a kids race.
A few months ago, we just saw the signups for the Tater Tot Trot, and Halli thought it would be a fun way for something for her to look forward to.
It's kind of been fun. Like every time I go, I can go a little bit further on the walking path. So it makes me just feel so happy to see how much progress I made. It's definitely made me a little more stronger and positive of myself.